In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell GoHighLevel to realtors. We're going to create a clean real estate-focused sales pipeline inside GoHighLevel so you can show agents exactly how their leads will be captured, tracked, and closed. This walkthrough keeps things simple, clear, and client-friendly, so by the end you'll have a tangible asset you can demo to win the sale. First, open GoHighLevel and head to your account. From the main dashboard, look to the bottom left and click Settings. This is where all the behind-the-scenes configuration lives. Inside Settings, choose Opportunities and Pipelines. This section controls the stages where leads move from initial contact to a signed contract, and it's the area realtors care about most because it shows pipeline health at a glance. Next, click the Pipelines tab. Here you'll see existing pipelines plus an option to add a new one. Click Create Pipeline. We'll make something a realtor can instantly understand. When prompted, type in your pipeline name. Keep it specific and goal-oriented, such as Real Estate Sales Pipeline, or the brokerage's name followed by deals. Clear naming helps agents know exactly where to work every day. Now, set your display colors. Use a simple, consistent color scheme that communicates status quickly. For example, softer colors for early stages and bolder colors for late-stage deals work well. The key is easy scanning on a busy day, especially on mobile. You'll now define the pipeline stages. Think through the journey a buyer or seller lead takes with an agent. Add practical stages that reflect real workflows like new lead, contacted, appointment set, showing scheduled, offer sent, under contract, and closed. Keep stage names short and action-oriented so agents always know the next step. If your client specializes, you can tailor these to buyers or listings, but keep the structure consistent to make reporting clean. Click Add Stage for each stage you want. As you add them, consider what actions will move a lead forward. This makes it easier later to pair stages with automations, like reminders or follow-ups, without overwhelming the team. Avoid creating too many micro-stages. Clarity beats complexity when you're presenting value to a realtor. When everything looks right, click Create. Your pipeline is now saved and ready to use. This gives you a powerful demo moment. Show how new leads land in the first stage, how follow-up is tracked, and how agents can forecast commissions based on what's in under contract. With this setup, you're not just selling software, you're showing a simple visual path from lead to close deal that helps realtors move faster and stay organized.